Today on How to 360, we're making beautiful honey ornament cookies. Delicious, golden, and just perfect for decorating your Christmas tree. Or, eating. Here's what you'll need. And of course, all ingredients are listed in the description below. 2.5 cups of flour, half a cup of honey, half a cup of sugar, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon of cloves, and just a pinch of salt. Oh, and if you want to get extra festive, you can grab some ribbon, icing, or sprinkles too. In a bowl, combine your dry ingredients. In another bowl, whisk together the honey, sugar, and eggs. Then, just mix everything together until a soft dough forms. Chill it for about 30 minutes. Roll the dough to about 1/4 inch thick and use cookie cutters to create ornament shapes. Don't forget to poke a hole at the top for the ribbon. You can just use a straw for that. Alright, now go ahead and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, or about 175 Celsius, for about 10 to 12 minutes, or just until they're golden. Once they're completely cool, you can decorate with icing sprinkles, or even a little edible gold dust if you want to get fancy. Then, just thread a ribbon through the hole and hang them on the tree. Or, honestly, just enjoy them as a sweet holiday treat. These are so much fun for kids. They make great gifts, and they're perfect as edible tree decor. There are just so many ideas for using these cookies. If you loved this holiday bake, go ahead and hit like, subscribe, and share the joy. Wishing you and yours the happiest holidays.